Today in Mathematics for Standard 4, we are going to learn a new topic: word problems, addition and subtraction. Now children, what do you mean by word problems? A word problem is a few sentences or statements describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by way of a mathematical calculation. So when you're solving a word problem, you have to follow the 4 steps. That is, first you have to read the question, understand it which mathematical calculation you will be using for that, write the statements, arrange it in the vertical arrangement, solve it, and then write the final answer. Now we shall learn about how to solve the word problems in addition in detail. Aunt Uma bought 5 kilograms of tur dal for rupees 345 and 20 kilograms of rice for rupees 789. How much money did Aunt Uma spend? So what information is given? We are given the cost of tur dal, that is rupees 345, and the cost of rice, that is rupees 789. What is asked? We are asked the total cost of it. So we are using the method that is addition over here. So we'll arrange this in the vertical arrangement and we'll start solving it from the units place. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So we write 4 in the units place and 1 carry over in the tens place. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 plus 1, which is carried over, gives us 13. So we write 3 in the tens place and 1 carry over in the hundreds place. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 1, which is carried over, gives us 11. So we write 1 in the hundreds place and 1 is carried over in the thousands place. But since no number is given below, we assume it 0 and we bring that 1 down, that is 1 plus 0 from the thousands place will give us 1. So our final answer is Aunt Uma spent rupees 1,134 in all. We'll see one more example. The cost of a refrigerator is rupees 13,750 and the cost of a cupboard is rupees 8,990. How much must we pay the shopkeeper to buy them both? So again, we'll arrange it in the vertical arrangement and we'll write the statements. Cost of refrigerator is rupees 13,750 and the cost of cupboard is 8,990. We start solving it from the units place. So we'll add this also. So 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. So we write 4 in the tens place and 1 carry over in the hundreds place. 7 plus 9 is 16 plus 1 carry over gives us 17. So we write 7 in the hundreds place and 1 carry over in the thousands place. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11 plus 1, which is carried over, gives us 12. So we write 2 in the thousands place and 1 carry over in the 10,000s place. Now here we have one more column because it's a 5-digit number. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So our final answer is the shopkeeper must be paid rupees 22,740. Now we shall see the sums of subtraction. Our first example. There are 1,473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other and how many more are there? So what information is given? We have Marathi books, that is 1473, and Hindi books, that is 586. Which language has more books? Yes, it is the Marathi books. And what is asked? How many more books in which language? So here we are using the subtraction method. So again we arrange it in the vertical arrangement. Now children, you must always remember when you are solving the sums of subtraction, the bigger number will be on top and you have to minus it with the smaller number. So we have arranged it over here and we start from the units place. 3 minus 6. Now 3 is a smaller number. We cannot minus or subtract it by 6. So we have to borrow 1 from the tens place. So here it will become 13 minus 6, which gives us 7. Now since we had borrowed 1 from the tens place, so we write the number which comes before 7. That is 6. Now again 6 minus 8 is not possible. So we'll borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So here it will become 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Now since we had borrowed 1 from hundreds place, so we have to write the number which comes before 4. That is 3. Again 3 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. So we have to borrow 1 from the thousands place. So here it will be 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And since we had taken 1 from the thousands place, so here it is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our final answer is, there are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. We'll see one more example. The sum of two numbers is 31,426. One of the numbers is 17,548. What is the other number? Children, in word problems you can get this way kind of sums also. So we'll just solve it and find out the other number. Again we arrange it in the vertical arrangement. We start solving from the units place. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so we borrow 1 from the tens place. So here it will become 16. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Since we had borrowed 1 from the tens place, so we write the number which comes before 2, that is 1. So 1 minus 4 is also not possible, so we borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So here it becomes 11. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Since we had borrowed 1 from the hundreds place, we write the number which comes before 4, that is 3. 3 minus 5 is also not possible because 3 is a smaller number and 5 is a bigger number. So you cannot subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So you have to borrow 1 from the thousands place. So here it will become 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Since we had borrowed 1 from thousands place, so the number which comes before 1, that is 0. 0 minus 7 is also not possible. So again you have to borrow 1 from the 10,000s place. So here it will become 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And since we had borrowed 1 from the 10,000s place, so the number which comes before 3, that is 2. Minus 1 is equal to 1. So our final answer is, the other number is 13,878. Now we shall learn about addition and subtraction mixed problems. Let us see one example. There are 42,306 trees in a forest. Of these, 23,479 are teak trees and 16,675 are subabul trees. How many more other trees are there in the forest? So what is asked? The number of other trees is asked for us. What information is given? we are given the total number of trees is 42,306. Teak trees is equal to 23,479. And subabul trees are equal to 16,675. So what will we do first? Yes, we will add the teak and subabul trees by arranging it in the vertical arrangement, and we start adding from the units place. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 4 we write in the units place and 1 carry over in the tens place. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14 plus 1 carry over gives us 15. So 5 we write in the tens place and 1 carry over in the hundreds place. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 1 carried over gives us 11. So we write 1 in the hundreds place and 1 carried over in the thousands place. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus 1 which is carried over gives us 10. So we write 0 in the thousands place and 1 carry over in the 10,000s place. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 which is carried over gives us 4. So we get the answer 40,154. What will we do next? Yes, we will subtract this sum from the total number of trees. So again we arrange it in the vertical arrangement. 42,306 minus 40,154. We start solving from the units place. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So here it will become 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Since we had borrowed 1 from the hundreds place, so here the number which comes before 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So our final answer is there are 2,152 other trees in the forest. Now we shall learn about making problems based on the given information and solving them. Make an addition problem based on the given information and solve it. So what is the given information? Number of men is 1,450 and number of women is 1,270. So let us see the example. There are 1,450 men and 1,270 women working in a company. How many people work in the company in all? So again we arrange it in the vertical arrangement and we write the statements, that is 1,450 men and plus 1,270 women. We add it from the units place, we start adding it. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So 2 we write in the tens place and 1 carry over in the hundreds place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 gives us 7. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So our final answer is in all 2,720 people work in the company. We'll see one more sum of subtraction. Make a subtraction problem based on the given information and solve it. So the given information is cost of one motorcycle is rupees 47,580 and the cost of another motorcycle is rupees 50,240. The example: A company's motorcycle cost rupees 47,580 and B company's cost rupees 50,240. Which company's motorcycle is more expensive and by how much? So here we arrange it in the vertical arrangement, but we write the bigger number on top and minus or subtracted by the smaller number below it. Start from the units place. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 4 minus 8 is not possible, so we borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So here it will become 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Since we had borrowed 1 from the hundreds place, so we cut 2 and we write the number before 2. What comes? That is 1. Now 1 minus 5 is also not possible, so we borrow 1 from the thousands place. So here it becomes 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Since we had borrowed 1 from the thousands place, so the number which comes before 10, that is 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Since we had borrowed 1 over here, so here it becomes a number before 5. We cut 5 and the number which comes before 5, that is 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So final answer is B company's motorcycle cost rupees 2,660 more. I hope so you have understood the lesson and enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.